What do you think? I mean, amidst this slowdown, amidst the coronavirus, things have to look pretty bleak. Why do you think investors are buying the shares today?
Good morning. The results you've seen for the first half are quality results. Our business grew in every region of the world. People are drinking better. Our premium brands are doing very well. Reserve brands, which is the top 20% of our portfolio, grew 11%. North America, the U.S. spirits market is very robust, and we're doing well there. Our business grew 6% in our biggest market. China was strong. So what you're seeing is our strategy is delivering. We're delivering our guidance. We're expanding margins, and we're investing ahead in marketing and building a sustainable, consistent growth engine.
Ivan, good morning to you. You say China delivered well for you, or words to that effect just now. What about what you expect from China, though? Matt referencing there the coronavirus and the impact. Are you starting to see impact on your numbers already in terms of supplying the travel market and sales on the ground in China? What's the experience at the coalface of this?
Well, our primary focus and concern is our people, and clearly we're taking all the measures to ensure that they stay safe and healthy in the current context. I'd say it's way too early to estimate the business impact in China, and we will get to that in due course. I mean, we're focused very much on tracking the situation and ensuring our people on the ground are safe.
You have a distillery there, right? It's the Shui Jing Fang distillery. Have you closed that down then?
We do have manufacturing in Sichuan for our Diageo business, and with the Chinese New Year holiday, it is normally shut down at this time. We'll track the situation day by day and determine, but it was programmed to be shut for this period.
Can I ask you about other parts of the business then? In the United States, of course, to what extent are Americans continuing to buy premium Scotch whiskies despite tariffs, Ivan?
It's doing very well. Our premium business in the U.S., our single malts are growing double-digit. Tequila, which is expensive, Casamigos and Don Julio at $50 a bottle roughly, in the U.S. grew 35%. Crown Royal, one of our biggest brand in North America, a premium Canadian whiskey, grew 11%. So the trends for spirits growth and people drinking better are very strong in the US, and spirits is growing faster than beer and wine. And young Americans, as they turn 21, are drinking more whiskey, more tequila. So we feel really good about our North America position, and our business is executing very well. And you see it in these numbers where the business grew 6%.
And so is there no negative impact from tariffs?
It's too early to say. The tariffs went into effect late last calendar year. There will be an impact because, and we are very concerned particularly for the smaller players in the value chain. So be it small distillers in Scotland and the farmers, and there are thousands of jobs at stake there, and also for bars, restaurants, and the wholesale trade in the United States. So we really are working hard to ensure across the UK, EU, and US that our sector that we eliminate the tariffs and don't face these kinds of trade barriers where Europe and the US have traded really very well in terms of how spirits, wine and beer trades across the Atlantic.
Ivan, there's a lot of there's bullet bourbon wedding whistles at my house in Berlin. I noticed earlier this week that beer consumption in Germany actually dropped. I think it was 2% in 2019 over 2018. Are Europeans here in the core drinking more spirits as well?
Yeah, what you're seeing is the cocktail revolution, which was vibrant in America over the last 10 to 15 years is moving to Europe. So we're seeing the growth of spirits and premium spirits as being very healthy. Whiskey, as you talked about, premium whiskey doing well. Tequila is developing. Gin is in the early stages of a very attractive growth story. And part of what's happening is, say, we have Tanqueray growing strong double digits. In the early evening occasion across Europe, a beautifully served gin and tonic is a far more attractive option than a glass of boring white wine or a glass of beer. And those trends are helping us.